Alrighty, another day, another repair. We have a front load Samsung washer, so we're going to replace. We put this temperature sensor on, so as you can see, this part is totally worn out. I recently replaced the suspension rod up to the road on this, so it's cut off the wire. So we're going to put this one, and at the same time we need to replace this one. I recently replaced those 4 shocks, which is these are, so it's totally worn. That's why it's caused you this problem. So hopefully we don't have any issue in this case. We just need to replace that one. I mean, if your those suspension were worn out, so it will cost you a lot of damage, especially on wiring on these Samsung. But anyhow, so we can just remove this part, this screw, and we need to do one here. Once we're done, so we can gently cut these 2 off, because we're going to put a new one on them. So, and this is the one, the good one. I'm gonna use it, and there is no way we can do. We just gonna dose the ground, so we're just gonna reattach it. So I'm gonna show how. Then the rest we just need to replace it. So stick with me. So I may need this part. So you need one of these strippers, so we can cut off. So I'll already did this side. Okay. And put some tape, and I just use this foam for vibration, so we can make sure everything should be fine. Even in long tail, you can just put some tape all around again. It's not looks beautiful, but it's help. So now we can work on these. So let me, if I get it right, so it goes here, this one goes here, and this goes to the hole, just like that. And yes, so we need to put few this long. I do have here, so hopefully we can get this one through. If not, then I will need to pause the video. Okay, looks good. We can cut it later on, and we can add it more here. We can go just like this. So you may need to replace the all wiring, or you just need to do it the way I did. okay? But in your case, you just need to replace your faulty measure sensor water, so then you don't need to follow these, because my case was totally, the wire totally break, and I explain why. Because the vibration and these and that's why. Come on, mosquitoes, don't do that. And if we can stick it here, that'd be great. Otherwise, still no problem. So once we do that, we can put one screw back on. Okay, do good. Alright. Then we can put sensor. Then we can stick it in. Yes, we good. I'm just. I will do it later, maybe. Then stick this to. Where's the screws? Right here. Before I worn it out, I'm just gonna use my screws driver. No magnet? Yes, do. Maybe time to replace it. It gave me a hard time. After 5-minute try, sometimes it's be easy first time and sometimes it took a while, okay? But that's all good. Not a big deal. So still I'm thinking about this guy. Then here, okay. Right here should be fine. This long enough. If not, I can make it long. Just like that. And we're done. So I need to trim these. Okay. Thanks so much for watching and see you next videos. Bye bye.